first step to using the Sanity.io content management system is to create an account. To do that, let's head over to Sanity's website at Sanity.io. From here, we can click this Get Started link in the top right of the page. Now, one thing to note is that this video was recorded on March 21st of 2024. So depending on when you're watching this, things may look a little different for you. Just know that you're going to be looking for an option to get started. So we'll click that. From here, we're given a few options to sign up for an account. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll use the email option, but feel free to choose whichever option works best for you. Now we're asked to fill in some basic user information, so let's fill out these forms. I'll be setting up a dummy account for this video series, but it'll be deleted immediately after. We'll call ourselves John Franklin, and we'll use one of my junk email accounts. And for the password, we'll give it something nice and secure. Next, we'll just want to accept the terms of service. We'll just check this box and hit continue. Alright, so at this point, we've officially created our Sanity.io account. Great work. As you can see here in the top right, our account is real, it exists, and we are currently logged in as John Franklin. Before we leave, Sanity gives us the option to go through their wizard to help us get started. So let's go through it together. The first question here is asking what we'll be using Sanity.io for. For the purpose of this video series, we'll be using the personal option here. Feel free to select whichever of these best fit your use case. Next up, it's asking how familiar we are with JavaScript. I'm going to go with fluent. I'm pretty confident in my JavaScript skills. Make sure you select the one that most closely matches your own comfort level. So what are we building? Well, for this web series, we'll be building a personal blog, so I'll select blog here. We'll name the project NextGen Sanity Blog. All right, and then we'll go ahead and create that. The tools I plan to use for this project are React, TypeScript, and Next.js, so I'll select those and then click Next. And lastly here, it's asking whether we'll be migrating from another content management system, and the answer here is no, right? We'll be starting from scratch. And that's it. We've officially created our Sanity.io account, and with some help from Sanity's wizard, we were able to create our first project as well.